So getting ready to ship out. Customers here. Rapid Traverse was not functioning. It is now functioning.
Different extension cord last time. Oh fuck. Let's see if it goes anyway. Like that.
You got to have this in to get the feeds to go.
Yeah.
That's probably out. There you go. Hit the right handle. That's the other direction. Carriage travel in the other direction. There you go. Okay, put that in neutral. Put that in neutral once. Drop the... Probably got to have this in neutral also. That's a pretty big thread there. That's good. That's good. Give me one or two.
Ears?
Yeah, that's fine. They've heard it. They've heard it already. They've heard. Customers heard it. We're fine.
Is there going to be anything else they're not going to like on it? I don't know what they're doing with it. Are they going to complain about the smallest, stupidest thing, or?